kids, let's know the name of sports. American football. American football. Archery. Archery. Badminton. Badminton. Athletics. Athletics. Baseball. Baseball. Basketball. Basketball. Boxing. Boxing. Canoeing. Canoeing. Cricket. Cricket. Cycling. Cycling. Diving. Diving. Horse riding. Horse riding. Fencing. Fencing. Football. Football. Golf. Golf. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Handball. Handball. High jump. High jump. Hiking. Hiking. Ice hockey. Ice hockey. Ice skating. Ice skating. Judo. Judo. Karate. Karate. Paragliding. Paragliding. Rhythmic gymnastics. Rhythmic gymnastics. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Rowing. Rowing. Rugby. Rugby. Running. Running. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Surfing. Surfing. Swimming. Swimming. Table tennis. Table tennis. Volleyball. Volleyball. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. Well done, kids. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.